What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin update. I was out of town this weekend, so I didn't get much in, but I have been tweeting. I've been hanging out in the Discord. If you don't belong to the Discord, check it out. There is a free link down below in the description. Totally free. Definitely check it out. A lot of good people in there helping each other out with trading and charting and such. If you're looking for a call group or a signal group, that's not what it is. It's informative. We try to help each other out and learn how to set up trades, not necessarily tell you where to trade. But anyways, we're going to be looking at the bullish case, and we're going to look at that invalidation point. I'm just going to do a quick run through. Nothing has changed in my charts from what we've been looking at. So I'm going to run through it real quick and just show you what we're looking for. And let's get into it. Don't forget, guys, take a second out, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think is going on with Bitcoin. All right, so anyways, this is the bullish case. Let's take a look at this. We've been looking at this as 5 waves down. Some people are looking at this as an ABC, like it's a finished correction. I do not think it was, but if that was the case, this is the bullish count. This would be wave 1. Wave 2, we'd be looking for wave 3 up in this area somewhere, and that would get us somewhere in between 78,000 somewhere, and then wave 4 back down to around 58 to 60,000, and then wave 5 all the way back up to the 83 to 84,000. Now, if we break this 53K, that will invalidate this bullish count because wave 4 cannot go beyond wave 1, and I do believe this was a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which we'll look at in my bearish case scenario. But if it is bullish, then we shouldn't worry about going below 53. Now, we can still go to 53 and get a bounce and it be bullish for a little bit, but then bearish. That's what we're going to take a look at now. And this is my count. If you guys have been around the channel for any amount of time, you are familiar with it. This is, like I said, a lot of people are looking at this here as an ABC down and it's a finished correction and then we're to the moon, which is possible, but I have not been looking at it that way. As you guys know, I'm looking at this as a 5-wave structure. We had 5 waves down. That cannot be corrective within itself. So to me, what I believe we have here is an irregular correction with 5 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 more waves down is what we're looking for here. As you guys know, we're going to stick around towards the end of the video. We're going to break this down, this 1 wave, and see what we're looking at now and what I'm expecting. But I do think we are in wave 1 down. Possibly, like, let's say we went straight down today, which I doubt, but it is possible. If we went straight down today, we'd be looking at around $49,000 to $50,000 range, $49,900 to $50,000 range. But the longer it takes, the higher that level gets. Like I said, I'm looking for wave 1 approximately somewhere in between 51 to 53,000. Like I said, we're going to break this wave 1 down here in a second and take a look at what's going on. We'll look at my wave count, how it's been going up in the smaller time frame, which has been working out absolutely perfect. If you've been around the Discord, we caught some nice trades today. So anyways, let's break this down for you real quick. Here's our 5 waves down, and then this wave here, you'll find 5 waves also, and then an ABC up, and then we had a triangle for our 4th wave and 5th wave down. If you guys been following the channel for any time, up in here, we called this around 29,000. I thought it would go lower. Once we got down in that range, I thought wave 5 would be a little bit longer, but it was not. But regardless, let's take a look at this. So this would be ABC up. There is 5 waves in A right here. These 5 waves go in A. And then we have a 3-wave structure here, which is an ABC. And as you can see, that is a 3-wave structure there. And then we have 5 more waves right here. That's why I believe this is possibly done and over with, and we head down from here. We could go as low as the 20,000 range. But if you guys know about anything about the, let me show you something, that irregular correction. If we go from the low over here, right about there to the high, it has to go down to at least the 0.618 if this is valid, and that would be at least the mid 40s. We'll be looking at least the mid 40s, but possibly It could go as low as 25,000, possibly even lower. This has no limit to how low it can go, but we'll be keeping up on the wave count. We'll know what to look for and what we're looking for. Now, this gets invalidated if we cross this 74.7, somewhere in that range. If we cross that at any time, then this wave count is invalidated, in my opinion. So if you guys are interested in trading, definitely check out Prime XBT. By far my favorite exchange. They don't trade against you. Definitely check them out. That is the only exchange I use anymore. That's why you don't see any exchange links down below except them. If it was about making money off of affiliate links, I would have all the other exchanges down there. I don't, because I believe they're scammy. So definitely check out Prime XBT. By far the best exchange in my opinion. And if you go into my YouTube channel, I have a Prime XBT tutorial here. It tells you where to put my promo codes. I guess they're reworking the promo codes, but you can still use my promo code Savvy50. That'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus. And down below the videos, there is my link there that you get another extra bonus on top of that. I'm not sure exactly what it is right now. Like I said, they're reworking it all. I'll let you guys know what it is, but definitely check them out. By far the best exchange in my opinion. So this is wave 1 broken down. This is the count we've had here. So far, so good. It has been playing out beautifully. We went a little bit higher than I expected for wave 4. But keep in mind, wave 4 could still come up for one more tag around that 60,000 to 61,000. Still possible. You can see this high volume node right here. It's still possible we come and tag that before coming down, but I do think ultimately this 5th wave should be at least down to the 53,000, 54,000 range. And let's put some fibs on there. Let me get this out of the way. It'll give us an idea of the places to look for a target. Now it could do like the last time where the 5th wave just barely goes below the 4th wave. So it is possible. We almost tagged that 1.618 here. For our 3rd wave, I believe that was close enough. That's why I had this at 55.5. Let me get that out of your way now so you can see. So if we come down, if we get a bounce out that 55.320, then it could be the beginning of the 4th wave there, and this is not, but I do believe this is the 4th wave here. Now there is a bullish case you could look at showing this as inverse head and shoulders, although I don't believe it to be. But if it was, you would have a target somewhere around. And remember, even when this wave 1's done, like I said, but this will go around 65,000. But even if this wave 1 comes down to this range, this is where I'd be looking along. I'd be looking along this 2 wave, because this 2 wave, which is right here, let me get over here, right here, this is going to make everyone extremely bullish. It could go up to, 60 to 65,000. And again, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we'll be keeping up on the wave count. So we were looking at it in the wick off, but the wick off, both the distribution phases that I was looking at broke through the sign of weakness. So we talked about that last week. Not a good sign. Anyways, let's watch this, see if we get between that 51 and 53K. I'll be looking to put some longs in for that wave 2, which could get up to 60 to 65,000, somewhere in that range. So, and everyone's going to be extremely bullish, so be prepared for everyone calling for $100,000 Bitcoin again and all that good stuff. So they've already changed. Now they're saying the end of the beginning of next year will hit the 100,000. They talk about people, they always talk about people changing their targets and blah, blah, blah. Well, markets, you have to go with what comes in as data. It's not going to be perfect, but we have been looking for this ABC since March. I did not think the B was going to go so high. I thought around 57 to 60,000, somewhere in there, the highest, but we broke this high here and made it a irregular correction. So keep that in mind. That stuff can happen, but all in all, it's still looking like this big ABC correction. I still believe that is exactly what we're looking at. So like I said, keep an eye out for 51 to 53,000, somewhere in that range. This wave should be over, and then we should start wave 2 up, like I said, which I will be looking to long. If you guys are interested in checking out my wife's webpage, please do so. Great other way to help support the channel. Links are down below. Definitely check it out. She's got a lot of cool stuff on here, a lot of great gift ideas. She does it all herself, and it is quality stuff, guys. It's not garbage, iron on, or none of that stuff. So Bitcoin section, pet section, all kinds of stuff. Check it out. Thanks again for watching, guys. I will see y'all later. In the members video, I will do one sometime this week. I'll let you know in the morning video when I'm going to do the members video. Other than that, we do members videos when I'm not out of town on Saturdays and Sundays, and I do give a $500 Prime XBT account giveaway. So, all right, guys, take it easy. Have a great day. I am out of here. Happy trading.